What is stopping you from speaking fluently in English? It's fear, right? Trust me, it's the fear. Okay, let me ask you something. Do you remember yourself, you before college, before high school, before your first crush? All the way back to when you were just a baby trying to learn your very first language. It was so easy back then. And do you know why? Because back then you were not afraid of anyone's opinion. And to be honest, you had the right environment where everyone was supporting you to speak, no one was discouraging you or judging you. But now, when you're trying to speak in English, you don't have that kind of environment and you fear that if you make a mistake, people might laugh at you, they will judge you. And this fear is stopping you from making progress. But today is your lucky day because I know the exact way to remove this fear. You fear speaking in English with someone whom you know because you have an image to protect. But what about talking to someone whom you don't know? Someone who's there to help you improve your English without mocking you for your mistakes. I know. It is not easy to let go of this fear without the right environment. And the right environment to improve your English is where you feel motivated to speak, where no one mocks you on your mistake, and when someone corrects you whenever you go wrong. That's it. And you can get this environment easily on the Ingvarta app, where you can talk to different experts daily in your flawed English, and they will not judge you. Instead, they will encourage you to speak more, and they will correct your mistakes as they happen. Don't hold your potential. You can speak in English even if you're not good today. You can practice and you can improve yourself. Remember, mistakes are a part of learning, and with right corrections, they can help you to become perfect one day. So don't give in to your fears. With Ingvarta, you can conquer them. Let's get your freedom back. Freedom to speak in English without any fear. Join us during this Independence period to get freedom from your fear of speaking in English. Happy Independence Day.